Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the solution of the second page of the worksheet about synthetic division. And synthetic division is a process that can be used to divide the polynomial expressions when the divisor is a linear divisor, so it's a variable to the first degree plus and minus a number. If you cannot use synthetic division, then you can always use long division. Unfortunately, as the word says, long division is a process that requires time to be completed, but it will always work. Synthetic division is much faster. All of the problems you see in the worksheet that I uploaded in the folder for today, they are problems that can be solved by using synthetic division. So I'm going to start from number 11 and I'm going to work all the problems till number 18. Alright, so in number 11 I'm going to rewrite those problems. So we have a 10p cubed plus 27 p squared minus 6p plus 9, and we want to divide this by p plus 3. So what we do is we write the coefficients from the largest degree to the lowest one. There is any missing term, you're going to put a 0. In this case there are no missing terms. And then instead of plus 3 we're going to write a negative 3 here on the left side. We bring down the first term. 10 times negative 3 is negative 30. We add up. 27 minus 30 is negative 3. We multiply again. Negative 3 times negative 3 is 9, and negative 6 plus 9 is 3. And then 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, so we get a remainder of 0. So this last term is the remainder. This is the constant term, the number by itself. This is the p term, this is the p square. So your answer is 10p squared minus 3p plus 3. Okay, I'm going to work now on number 12. Which is negative 6 x to the power of 4 plus 53 x cubed minus 41 x squared plus 6x plus 16. And we need to divide this by x minus 8. So we write the coefficient negative 6, 53, negative 41, 6 and 16. Nothing is missing. Alright, so then we write 8, so the opposite of this is 8. We bring down the first number, which is negative 6. Negative 6 times 8 is negative 48. 53 minus 48 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Negative 1. Negative 1 times 8 is negative 8. 6 minus 8 is negative 2. And negative 2 times 8 is negative 16. So again, we get a remainder of 0. This is the constant term. This is the x squared, and then the x cubed. So our answer is negative 6x cubed plus 5x squared minus 1x minus 2. Okay, let's go to problem number 13. Alright, so we have a b cubed minus 13b squared plus 25b plus 50. And we are dividing this by b minus 10. Alright, so what we have? 1, negative 13, 25 and 50. I'm going faster because again I'm assuming that you already worked these problems and you're just checking this work with what you did. Okay, so here I have a 10. We bring down the first number 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Negative 3. Negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. The difference with 25 is negative 5. Negative 5 times 10 is negative 50. Again, a remainder of 0. So this is the constant term. This is the b. This is the b squared. So from here we get 1b squared minus 3b minus 5. Let's go to number 14. So what we get in this case is a k to the power of 4 plus 7k cubed plus 13k squared plus 6k minus 45. And we're dividing this by k plus 5. Alright, so what we have? We have 1, 7, 13, 6, negative 45. And here we put a negative 5. Bring down the first number, 1. 1 times negative 5 is negative 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 times negative 5, negative 10. 3. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. 6 minus 15 is negative 9. Times negative 5 is positive 45. Remainder of 0. Now, do not assume a remainder is 0 all the times, okay? In this case it's 0, but it may be a different number, of course. So here we have the constant term, here we have the k squared, and k cubed. So our answer will be 1k cubed plus 2k squared plus 3k minus 9. Okay, so let's go to problem 15. So we have n cubed plus 15n squared plus 47n minus 38, and we divide this by n plus 6. Okay? Alright, so we have 1, 15, 47, negative 38. And here on the left side we put a negative 6. Bring down the first number, 1 times negative 6, negative 6. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 times negative 6, negative 45. Difference is 2. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. So it looks like we get a remainder which is different than 0 in this case. Negative 38 minus 12 will be negative 50. Okay? Alright, so at this point what we have is that this is the remainder, right? This is the constant term, this is the n, and this is the n squared. So our answer is n squared plus 9n plus 2, and then we have a remainder of 50, so we get minus 50 divided by n plus 6 because that's a remainder. Okay, so let's work on number, I'll do it here, number 16. So we have a 9p cubed minus 47p squared plus 2p plus 35, and we divide this by p minus 5. Alright, so we have a 9, negative 47, 2 and 35, and we divide this by p minus 5, so we write 5 here, we bring down the 9. 9 times 5 is 45. That gives me difference of negative 2. Negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. Negative 8 times 5 is negative 40. So we get a remainder of negative 5. So this is the constant term. This is the p. This is the p squared. So our answer is 9p squared minus 2p minus 8 minus 5, which is the remainder, over p minus 5. Alright, so let's work at the last two problems. So we have 17. So we have v to the power of 4 minus v to the power of 3 minus 68v squared minus 26v minus 94, and we divide this by v minus 9. Alright, so we have what? 1, negative 1, negative 68, negative 26, negative 94, and here we write 9. Bring down the first one, 1 times 9 is 9, 8, 72, negative 68 plus 72 is 4, 4 times 9 is 36, plus 10, 10 times 9 is 90, remainder of negative 4. That's a remainder, this is constant term, v squared, v cubed. So our answer is 1v cubed plus 8v squared plus 4v plus 10 minus 4 over v minus 9. And then the last problem, number 18, will be 8x to the power of 4 minus 14 x cubed plus x squared minus 12x, and then plus 12 divided by x minus 2. So we have 8, negative 14, 1, negative 12, and 12. And here we write 2. Bring down the first one, 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 2. 2 times 2 is 4. The sum is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 2. Negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. And 12 minus 4 is 8. So it's a remainder, constant term. And then we have x squared, and x cubed. So your answer from here is 8x cubed plus 2x squared plus 5x minus 2 with a remainder of 8. So plus 8 divided by the divisor, which is x minus 2. Okay? Alright, so let me now, if you have any question, remind you, you can either be present for a tutorial, or you can just send me an email. Okay? Okay. Talk to you later.